Over the last few years, we've seen a very clear rise in skilled roles right across the semiconductor cluster. The number of supported jobs has climbed significantly, and a growing share of those roles are now higher value technician, engineering and R&D positions. As more companies scale in manufacturing and cleanroom capacity, the demand for specialist skills has grown with it. We're no longer talking about a niche sector locked away in South Wales. We're looking at a fast-growing ecosystem that's producing real, high-quality jobs and a long-term skills ladder for local people. Investments have been a major catalyst in driving local employment and skills development. When organisations like KLA bring R&D facilities here, or when Vishay expands its manufacturing capability, it deepens the entire value chain. That means more demand for technicians, more focus on quality testing, packaging and advanced manufacturing, and a stronger pull for people with highly technical skills. It also drives the need for proper training pathways, because companies aren't just topping up existing teams, they're reshaping the skills landscape in the region. CSconnected's whole skills model is built on bringing academia and industry together. Through our CSEG, the Compound Semiconductor Education Group, the universities, colleges and the industry partners, they all sit around the same table. It creates a direct link between what's taught in classrooms and what's embedded on the cleanroom floor. It's why our region has been recognised nationally for industry-academic collaboration. We've worked hard to align research, training and employment so that partners move smoothly from education into real jobs. And employers know they're getting talent that's ready to contribute. We work closely with the WJC and industry partners to create the UK's first semiconductor-specific qualifications. At Level 2, we've got a programme that gives learners a proper introduction to advanced manufacturing and semiconductor fundamentals. At Level 4, there's a technician-focused qualification that supports people moving into skilled roles in cleanrooms, testing and metrology. These qualifications give learners a clear route into the sector and give employers confidence that people coming through the system have the right foundations. Sparking STEM Futures is all about opening the door early and getting young people excited about what semiconductors are. We go into schools across South Wales, run hands-on activities and connect pupils and teachers with real engineers from our cluster. A lot of young people have never heard of the sector before we walk through the door, and we're able to show them that there are real jobs, real opportunities and real pathways right here where they live. It's about demystifying the industry and making it accessible. This project has multiple interventions across school years 5 to 12. We're not only offering hands-on activities to interest them in our industry, but we also offer them the opportunity to achieve the WJC Level 2 qualification through weekend and summer boot camps. The awards and the feedback we receive show that what we're doing is genuinely making a difference. But most meaningful part is hearing from pupils and teachers who tell us that our activities have changed how they see engineering, or help them understand that semiconductor careers are within reach.